Welcome to Health Apostle.
What not to eat during pregnancy. The following foods are best avoided during pregnancy. 1. Unwashed and undercooked vegetables and fruits. Watch out of getting unwashed end result and vegetables. Uncooked vegetables need to be avoided, particularly raw sprouts and salad dressings, as they may incorporate harmful bacteria and viruses. 2. Fruits to avoid. There are quite some of culmination which you want to keep away from in the course of pregnancy. A. Papaya tops the listing. In a few countries, having papaya at some point of being pregnant is taken into consideration as dangerous for the toddler. B. Pineapples must additionally be averted as they will lead to softening of cervix and early hard work. C. Grapes should be prevented inside the final trimester. It can result in growth in body warmth. 3. Pre-packaged salads. Pre-organized or pre-packaged fruit or vegetable salads, which include the ones from buffets and salad bars, have a better danger of listeria infection. 4. Uncooked or partially cooked eggs. Eggs can incorporate salmonella, that is a prime motive of food poisoning. Whilst you are pregnant, you ought to avoid any meals that consists of uncooked egg, like homemade mayonnaise. 5. Unpasteurized juice. Unpasteurized fruit and vegetable juices, consisting of packaged ones, may also convey harmful E. coli and salmonella microorganism. Not handy is that, a tumbler of freshly made juice may also pose a risk if the end result or greens are not washed properly. 6. Unpasteurized dairy merchandise. Unpasteurized milk and cheese can also again come up with food poisoning that can potentially harm you and your fetus. 7. Raw seafood. The top must no longer consume meals at some stage in pregnancy. Raw fish. Avoid undercooked fish as it might include dangerous bacteria and come up with an unwanted contamination. Avoid devour, which include shellfish, marlin, swordfish, shark and sushi. 8. Raw meats. Uncooked, undercooked meats are averted always in life, a lot more so at some stage in pregnancy. 9. Liver. Liver have to be averted as it includes massive doses of vitamin A and its extra may be harmful to the fetus. 10. Coffee and different caffeine-associated liquids. Coffee might have been your stress buster these kinds of years, however no longer anymore, at the least not for the duration of your pregnancy. Avoid tea, espresso, soda or any aerated drinks. 11. Alcohol. Don't even think about bringing alcohol close to you when you are pregnant. It is like a poison to your unborn infant. 12. Smooth cheese. Gentle cheese that's imported is made from unpasteurized milk and can incorporate bacteria. Those include feta cheese, gorgonzola and all different Mexican fashion cheeses. Avoid them. 13. Canned meals. For the easy reason that it is probably too vintage and the water content may also harbor harmful bacteria, keep away from all canned meals at some stage in being pregnant. 14. Herbal supplements. Avoid all herbal teas and supplements at some point of being pregnant due to the fact you may by no means make sure of their real elements. 15. Smoking. Every cigarette you smoke is dangerous in your toddler. The nicotine present in tobacco slows fetal boom, giving beginning to low weight and premature babies. 16. Home-baked goods and ice cream. As with all dairy merchandise, homemade cookies may be raw and purpose meals poisoning and bacterial infections. The same is proper with homemade ice lotions also. 17. Fat to avoid. Too much fat is never welcome. It holds appropriate even within the case of being pregnant. 18. Sushi. Try to keep away from chilled seafood together with raw oysters, sashimi and sushi. 19. Pate. Refrigerated pate or meat spreads need to be averted due to the fact they may include the bacterial listeria. 20. Excessive vitamins. You must limit the consumption of sure vitamins, including folic acid, iron, and calcium, during being pregnant. However, be careful. Approximately the recommended dosages. Keep away from taking extra dosages of both fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. Excess fat-soluble nutrients can be stored in your body fat and liver, main two dangerous consequences on the mother and the fetus. Continually keep in mind that the golden rule is, while doubtful, consult your doctor. Thanks for watching.
Let it go.